In a world where clean, fresh air is becoming more critical than ever, finding the right air purifier can make all the difference. This Shark HP301 NeverChange Air Purifier Max promises to deliver powerful, efficient air purification that not only tackles a wide range of air contaminants, but also saves you hundreds in filter replacement costs. This cutting-edge air purifier is designed to cover up to 1,300 square feet and boasts some of the most advanced filtration technologies on the market today. In this review, we'll explore the features that make this Shark air purifier stand out, including its NeverChange filtration, odor neutralizer technology, an impressive 300+ in savings over 5 years. If you're looking for an air purifier that delivers exceptional performance, cost efficiency, and convenience, the Shark HP301 may just be the perfect choice for you. One of the most significant pain points for air purifier users is the constant need to replace filters. Traditional air purifiers require regular filter changes, which can quickly add up in costs. However, the Shark HP301 NeverChange Air Purifier Max offers a solution that sets it apart from competitors. Thanks to its NeverChange filtration system, you won't need to replace your HEPA filter for up to 5 years. This is not only a game changer in terms of convenience, but also in terms of savings. Over a 5-year period, you can expect to save $300 or more in filter replacement costs compared to other air purifiers. This alone makes the Shark HP301 a standout in the crowded air purifier market. The Shark HP301 NeverChange Air Purifier Max goes above and beyond standard HEPA filtration requirements, capturing an impressive 99.98% of particles. This includes everything from larger pollutants like dust and pet dander, to smaller contaminants such as PM2.5 particles, VOCs, and wildfire smoke. The air purifier's ability to trap such a wide range of pollutants makes it an excellent choice for those suffering from allergies, asthma, or anyone looking to improve their indoor air quality significantly. Its advanced anti-allergen HEPA filter isn't just for dust and dirt. It's designed to capture microscopic particles as small as 0.1 to 0.2 microns, making it highly effective against even the most stubborn air contaminants. This is especially important if you live in areas prone to wildfires or other environmental pollutants. With its ability to cover up to 1,300 square feet, the Shark HP301 NeverChange Air Purifier Max provides comprehensive air purification for larger spaces, making it ideal for multi-room homes, large bedrooms, or even entire living spaces. The purifier circulates and cleanses the air in these large areas within just 1 hour, ensuring that you and your family are breathing cleaner air faster. Whether you need to purify the air in your living room, basement, or master bedroom, this purifier has the capacity to handle it all. The dual specialization feature targets different types of pollutants, offering versatile protection against dust, dander, toxins, VOCs, and more. No matter where you place it in your home, you can expect superior air quality throughout. Have you ever noticed lingering smells in your home, whether it's from cooking, pets, or smoke? The Shark HP301 is equipped with odor neutralizer technology that effectively eliminates unwanted odors while releasing a fresh scent. This system provides 2x better odor reduction than traditional filters alone, giving your home a clean and refreshing atmosphere. This feature is perfect for homes with pets, smokers, or anyone who wants to maintain a fresh-smelling environment. Rather than simply masking odors, the Shark HP301 neutralizes them, ensuring that your home always smells fresh and clean. The Shark HP301 NeverChange Air Purifier Max takes air purification a step further with its CleanSense IQ technology. This smart system monitors your home's air quality in real time, constantly adjusting the purifier's power settings to maintain optimal cleanliness. It tracks 3 different particle sizes, PM1, PM2.5, and PM10, and displays the results on an easy-to-read LED screen. With CleanSense IQ, you can rest assured that your air purifier is always working at peak efficiency, without the need for manual adjustments. It's truly a set-it-and-forget-it system that takes the guesswork out of air purification. Unlike many air purifiers that require frequent maintenance and cleaning, the Shark HP301 comes with a debris defense system that protects the HEPA filter by trapping larger particles like hair, dust, and dander before they reach the inner filtration layers. This not only maximizes the performance of the HEPA filter, but also ensures that you won't have to clean or replace it as often. When it does come time to clean the debris defense screens, the process is simple. Just remove the screens, give them a quick vacuum, or wipe them clean, and your purifier will continue running smoothly. Why the Shark HP301 NeverChange Air Purifier Max is the best choice for you. The Shark HP301 NeverChange Air Purifier Max is packed with features designed to provide you with a healthier, cleaner home while saving you time and money. Here's why this air purifier could be the perfect fit for your home. NeverChange filtration. Save $300 plus over 5 years with filters that last much longer than traditional ones. Whole home coverage. Clean up to 1,300 square feet in just 1 hour. Powerful odor neutralizer technology. Get rid of smells while refreshing your home. Clean Sense IQ. Smart technology that adjusts to your air quality needs automatically. Debris defense. Protects your HEPA filter and enhances performance. If you're looking for an air purifier that combines cutting-edge technology, convenience, and cost efficiency, the Shark HP301 delivers on all fronts.